Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 3rd April 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for a monthly income trade and a weekly income trade. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our channel. I kept all the videos in a playlist, Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. Please click the link. You will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be useful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation by using NeoStock software supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. The first report we are going to generate is a bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. In monthly income trade, higher time frame HTF is monthly, intermediate time frame that is ITF is weekly, and a lower time frame also called as entry time frame that is nothing but daily. So daily zone is our entry time frame. So that is the reason why we have selected entry time frame as a daily, and the entry zone, because it is a bullish trade setup, our entry zone should be demand zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in this parameter, in daily time frame, I am selecting bullish. And also I would like to set 3 filters. The first filter is we don't want pierced zones. So there is a parameter called pierced count. See the last parameter in this space. So in daily time frame, I am selecting the minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates the pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. Okay, second parameter, zone achievement. We want to trade only the zones having zone achievement as a violated opposing zone, VOZ. So selecting VOZ. And the minimum odd enhancer score for bullish or bearish trade setup should be 12. So I am selecting 12. So now let us filter the stocks. So this is the filtered list. See, I will be giving you only few seconds time and then I move on to the next page. So what you need to do, pause the video and you can generate the charts. That means you need to draw the charts by taking the columns leg in, number of base candles and leg out date. Based on these dates, you can draw the zones. After that, you can study and proceed further with these reports. So let me scroll down. So total 23 stocks are filtered. Check any of these stocks are near to the demand zone. If they are near to the demand zone, probably you get trade opportunities in next 1 or 2 days. If they are not near to the demand zone, probably you need to wait for more time until the stocks enter into the zone. Okay, now let me go back. For daily time frame, that means we are going to generate a bearish trade setup for a monthly income trade. So entry time frame is daily. For bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And remaining filters we already set previously. They are still applicable. Pierced count, zone achievement and minimum odd enhancer score. Now let me generate the report. So only one stock is filtered. Now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, higher time frame should be weekly, intermediate time frame should be daily, and your lower time frame, that is entry time frame, should be 75 minutes. So that's why entry time frame I am selecting 75 minutes. First we will generate bullish trade setup. That means entry zone should be a demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup, this time we are selecting 75 minutes time frame. There I am entering the value bullish. Because we don't want pierced zones, so pierced count we have to set. You have to set for 75 minutes time frame this time. So minimum value should be 0, maximum value 0, indicates pierced count should be 0. That means zone is not pierced. And the zone achievement I am selecting VOZ, violated opposing zone. And minimum odd enhancer score we are selecting 12. Now let me filter the stocks. So total 21 stocks are filtered. Check any of these stocks are near the demand zone. So there is one stock inside, supply zone. Towards demand zone. So you need to wait for 1 or 2 days until these stocks enter into your zones. Meanwhile, if any new zones are created, supply zones, your analysis will be changed, your risk reward will be changed. So as per the concepts you learn in your course, accordingly you need to check whether you can take the trade or not. Okay, now let me go back. We will generate the bearish trade setup. Entry time frame is 75 minutes for weekly income trade, but this time we are going to generate bearish trade setup. So entry zone is supply zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup at 75 minutes time frame, now I am selecting the value bearish. Remaining values are same parameter values. Now let me generate. Now 2 stocks are filtered and they are supporting bearish trade setup. Now we will generate the final report, that is entry buffers based on not entry buffer, stop loss buffers. We are going to generate stop loss buffers based on daily ATR. So all these are all stop loss buffer values. We have a daily ATR for each stock. And for monthly income trade, you have to use 15% ATR. Weekly income trade, you have to use 10% ATR. So let me scroll down the list. Whichever the stock you want to refer, there you please pause the video. I am scrolling down. So this is the complete information about this report. Hope this information will be helpful to you for your further study and analysis. So let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.